Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to trade on MetaTrader 5. So if you also want to trade on MetaTrader 5, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So trading on MetaTrader 5 is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open MetaTrader 5 application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. So MetaTrader 5 is a trading platform that allows the users to buy and sell assets like stocks, commodities and cryptocurrencies. So if you also want to trade on MetaTrader 5, it is actually very simple. Once you open MetaTrader 5 application, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So trading is actually very simple. At top, you'll be able to see the market watch over here. You'll be able to see variety of symbol over here. For example, if you want to buy or sell this asset, simply double click on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to place the order over here. Or instead of that, at top, you'll be able to find several options. Simply click on the option tools. After that, you'll be able to find several tools over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for new order. All you have to do is click on it. Or instead of that, you can also press F9 on your keyboard. After that, this kind of window will be opened up. From here, you'll be able to place the order. You'll be able to buy and sell over here. So first of all, what you have to do is select the symbol. Simply click on this drop down icon that you can see right over here, right next to symbol. After that, you'll be able to see a bunch of symbols over here. Simply click on the asset that you want to buy or sell. Now after that, you can also select the type. Simply click on the field of type. After that, you'll be able to select the type. You'll be able to find two options over here, instant execution and pending order. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now you can also select the volume. Simply click on the option volume. After that, in this field, you'll be able to enter the volume. Simply enter the volume over here. Now after that, you can also set the stop loss and take profit point if you want. If you want to set the stop loss point, simply click on the field of stop loss. After that, simply set the stop loss point for yourself. And likewise, you can also set the take profit point. You can also add the comment if you want. Also, you'll be able to select the deviation. Over here, you'll be able to see the chart. Make sure to analyze this chart very properly. Now, for example, if you want to buy this asset, simply click on the option buy that you can see right over here on your screen. Now, after that, you can see over here, you've instantly bought this asset. Simply click on the OK option. Now, for example, if you want to sell, simply go to the tools section, click on the new order. Now again, analyze the chart very properly. If you want to sell, first of all, select the symbol. Also select the type, also select the volume, stop loss and take profit point. You can also add the comment and deviation if you want. So if you want to sell, simply click on the sell option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here your asset has been sold. Like this, you'll be able to buy and sell. Like this, you'll be able to trade on MetaTrader 5. So that is how you trade on MetaTrader 5. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.